Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Pragmata Sketchbook Demo game crashing, crashes to desktop, crashing at startup, crashing during compiling shaders, Fatal D3D error, freezing problem, or any other crashing error on PC. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to modify the game launch options. You can try -dx11 or -dx12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then select properties. Now under the launch option, type -dx11 first, close the tab, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the game properties. Now in the launch option type -dx12, close the tab, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to properties, remove the launch options command and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Second fix is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you are having NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to this AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. So what you have to do, you have to just search and select your correct graphic card driver and reinstall the latest version. And then you can launch the game and check. So I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you are on this NVIDIA website, you have to enter your card driver version over here and then select Windows operating system and then click on find. And then you have to download the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. So click on this agree and continue button. Then select custom advanced option, tick mark custom advanced option and then click on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box. So click this perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 3. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Now go to the virus and threat protection. Click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you've installed the game. So open C drive, program files x86, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, open Pragmata sketchbook folder, select this Pragmata _ sketchbook exe file and then click open. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change setting, then click on allow another app, then click on browse. Now go to the game installation folder, open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open Pragmata sketchbook folder, select Pragmata sketchbook exe file, click open and then click on add to add it to the list. In my case it is already added. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark, then click on OK to save changes. Now go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now, if you are using any third-party antivirus program such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, particularly Kaspersky antivirus, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESET, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 4 is to run the game on dedicated graphics card driver. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open it. Click on add desktop app, then go to the game installation folder, open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open Pragmata sketchbook folder, select Pragmata sketchbook exe file, click on add. After adding it, look for it, expand Pragmata sketchbook from the list and next to GPU preference select high performance. And then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 5. Run the game from the installation folder. Run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Pragmata Sketchbook Demo Game and then select Manage and then click on Browse Local Files. It will open the game installation folder. Now here look for Pragmata Sketchbook exe file. Double click it to launch the game and check if it is working or not. If not, then right click on it and then select Properties. Now go to the Compatibility tab, tick mark Run this program as an administrator, hit Apply, OK. Then launch the game from here and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then check mark Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Hit Apply, OK. Then launch the game from here and check. If that doesn't work, then from here select Windows 7, hit Apply, OK. Then launch the game and check. If still not working, then check mark Disable Full Screen Optimization option as well. Hit Apply, OK. Then launch the game from here and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these three options. Hit Apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6 is to verify the game files. So open Steam. Go to Library, right click on the game and then select Properties. Now go to the Installed Files tab and then click on Verify Integrity of Demo Files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft official website. Link is given in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. If you see install option, then click on install, and if you see repair option, then click on repair and install it. Then next click on x86 version. If you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. After that, just restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 8 is to disable overlays. So open Steam, go to Library, right click on the game and then select Properties. Now turn off Enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just turn it off and then check. If that doesn't work, then again go to Properties and this time enable it. Disable Discord overlay. Launch Discord on your PC. Then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner. Click on Game Overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the Enable in-game overlay. Similarly, disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience Settings, General. Turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of the tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 10 is to update Windows. So go to Windows Settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on Check for Updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall the game from your PC and then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by this way, you can easily fix Pragmata Sketchbook Demo Game, crashes at startup, crashing to desktop, crashing during compiling shaders, Fatal D3D error, freezing problem, or any other crashing error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.